Okay, we've got another quick video for you on how to make a sticky header for mobile, for desktop, for whatever you want to make it for. So we are in our beautiful header we created here. I'll do another tutorial on header creations another time, but as you can see, it doesn't stick to the top. So we're going to make some changes to it real quick. I'm going to hit my preview changes eyeball here and just get my other tab ready. So when I want to make some changes, I'll be able to just pop over there and look at them. And it's very simple. So I've got things structured within my header as the main container is header, my top bar content here, and my main header info here. Now I can make the entire thing sticky or each of these sections, no matter what I want to do. So let's start with making the entire header sticky to the top. So it's very simple. You're going to go over to Edit Container. Go down to Motion Effects. Let's move this out of the way. And right here where it says sticky, we're going to make it sticky to the top. Now you can adjust it to make it sticky on only desktop and tablet. So you can add or remove these elements however you'd like. We're just going to keep it on all three for now and hit publish. Go over to our preview page, and now as you can see, it sticks to the top, the whole thing. What I like to do a lot though is instead of making the entire header sticky, let's remove that, make that back to none. I'm going to do just the main header info. That way this top bar goes away when we scroll. So I'm going to go to Advanced, Motion Effects, Sticky, Top, just like before. Hit Publish. Now when we go over to our preview page and we scroll, that top bar goes away, but my main content stays. Now you can do any kind of variation for that you'd like to do, but I enjoy doing that. So that's how I have it set up. That's how you make your top bar, your header sticky. So if you like this, make sure you like, share, comment, do whatever, man, and let's have fun with this, right? Yeah, I had fun doing this. This one was quick and easy. So I hope you liked it. Make sure you watch all the other tips in my playlist. You might find some more little nuggets in there. Even if you think you know what you know, sometimes you don't know what you don't know. So check it out. Make sure you're enjoying it. If you're enjoying it, let me know.